It is the Metro RP2350. I have the flex connector going to the HSTX connector and then to the little breakout for HDMI-shaped DVI video. And you can see I've also got a USB keyboard plugged into USB host there on the board. So all those things are happening inside of CircuitPython. If we take a look on screen, it says, "Welcome to Metro RP2350. And then if I type on the screen, I'm just going to show words up here. So I'll retype that. Welcome to the Metro RP2350. Hey, now it's a disco. Metro RP2350, no PSRAM edition.